Okay, so here's what the car looks like now. I usually don't record in 4K on the GoPro, but let me try it here. This is a GoPro Hero 8, so it's probably not as good as the new ones. But here's dirt down here. But anyway, someone gave me a coupon for a, I guess I could get a free car wash. It's an automatic car wash. I usually don't go to automatic, but supposedly it's touchless. It's right over here, and I'm gonna go see it in a second. And so yeah, I'll see what it does, and I'll show the after effect. Even though my car's not really dirty, man, I keep it clean. But I did go through some water the other day, and I'm curious if it'll get this down here. I don't even know if you can see it. It's sort of dirty on the sides there. But I'll see if we can get that, and then I'll let you know. Yeah, I'll just show the before and after. This is the before right here, and I'll get some inside recording of the car wash. I do not know how to do automatic car washes either. Like, it's rare. Like, I don't even do them. So I'm gonna go over here, check it out. Yeah, sunny out, too hot. Let's do it. And also, there's something on the windshield here, a little spot. You can probably see it right there a little bit. Hope you can see on the window, and I'll see if it gets that off the, oh gosh. I'll see if it gets that off the window here, so let's check it out. I think this is it. So let's see. I guess I go through here. Let me ask him now. Let me get on. Let me ask him. Alright. So I made it in. I feel like I'm on a freaking roller coaster at Disneyland. What in the world, man? Put the car in park right now. And no, they do have brushes. No. She told me it didn't have brushes, man. She lied, I swear. She gave me this, but dang. Man, I'm gonna show her this video too. She told me it was touchless. Wow, this sucks. I'll still record it, man. Let's see how many scratches I get on the car now. Right, I'm going in. I thought it was touchless, dude. That's what she told me. Wow. Go for it. Yeah, see, I don't like doing this, man. So it's going by itself. I'm not pressing the brake, I guess. I thought it was touchless, dude. Oh. That sucks. Oh well. I She probably didn't understand what I meant when I asked if it was touching. But this is the place. I don't know, but when I start driving, I have no idea. I'm rolling. I guess that was it. So now I'm gonna go drive the car over here and probably vacuum a little bit. So let me show you what it looks like. So let's see how good it is. I don't know, man. I still have my freaking stickers on it. So I'm gonna dry it off and see if it really got any dirt on it. I'm not coming here again, but hey, it was a free one. And it pushed my windows back. And here's that spot. It sorta got it. A little bit. So here it is. I think there was some wax in that machine probably. So honestly, I'm gonna have to go back, probably spray around the car and dry. It left the droppers because they didn't really have any good shade spots, so it dried up pretty fast. But yeah, I'm not going back there again. It was cool though. I don't really understand. I don't think she understood what a touchless car wash means, but that thing was filled with brushes. And you know, she drives a freaking BMW, of course, new BMW, and she doesn't know what a touchless car wash is. So I won't be going back there. Honestly, I think I did better. I can do better by hand than that car wash anyway, so not going back there. But yeah, I think you got that spot. But yeah, it didn't even really get under here really, so I'm gonna have to go and wipe that down anyway and spray it some more. But let me do some shopping. Crazy.